YouTube, what is going on? Hope you're having a great week. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Sims 4 packs for free. That's correct, guys. If you play Sims 4, you know that these DLC expansion packs are super expensive to keep purchasing. But I'm going to show you today a super easy method to get every Sims 4 pack for completely free. This works on all platforms and consoles, and it works in 2024. This uses a digital game code that's going to get you every single pack. And if you don't have Sims 4, it's also going to get you Sims 4. So yeah, anyone can use this, guys. Yeah, it's going to get you every pack. So let's get into the tutorial. I recommend you use your mobile phone for this. You can see I'm using an iPhone, but it doesn't matter if you have an Android, you can still do this. And you've got to go to this website, www.wavycoupons.com. Make sure you don't type that. Make sure you type .com. There you go, Wavy Coupons, guys. So you've got to go to this website here. And because they have tons of different pages, you need to basically look for the Sims 4 page. You can either scroll down and look for it, and it's pretty easy to find, or you can go to the search bar and type Sims. And this is the page you need to navigate your way to, the Sims 4 All DLCs free game code. So you can see on my screen, you can choose PlayStation consoles. So this is basically going to get you a digital game code for all packs and the full game for PlayStation, Xbox, PC, Mac, or Steam. So you just have to select which console you want to play these packs on. I personally play on Xbox. This is what I did for the Xbox game. So I'm going to click show code. And you can see you need to unlock your digital game code, guys. Obviously, these codes are really desirable. These save you tons of money, so people try and steal every single code, so this prevents that. So all you've got to do, guys, is click on unlock code to get your code. Now, I'm not going to do it. I've already done this. I've got all the packs already. But basically, you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. You need to just verify you're a real person. It takes about 5 minutes to complete a couple of these like free tasks. Once you've done that, it's going to reveal your code that you can redeem on your console or platform of choice. And that is how you can get all Sims 4 packs for free. So go to wavycoupons.com, follow through all of the instructions you've seen in this video and also on the website, and that's going to get you all DLCs. Hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button if you got all of your packs, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy. Peace.